After a long time, a lot of buzz is being seen in the Congress headquarters. I will ask my camera person to pan and show you how there are in fact a lot of people who have gathered over here. There was celebration that was going on because of the kind of results that has come in favor, which is very much positive for the India alliance. Remember, all the exit polls have shown that how the BJP and the NDA will be sweeping this 18th Lok Sabha election, and contrast to the exit polls, the India alliance have done exceedingly well. They have in fact done above their expectation, though they have in fact been saying that the number is going to be somewhere around 295. But right now, what the update we are getting from the Election Commission website and from CNN News 18 is that India right now is standing, India alliance is right now standing at 233 and the NDA is standing at around 292. So a tough fight has in fact been given by the India alliance, is what the leaders who are present here at the Congress headquarters are saying. Now I'm going to point out few states where the India alliance have done exceedingly well. One is Uttar Pradesh. There have in fact been more than 35 to 40 seats that where the Samajwadi Party is in fact leading. So that is, of course, something that was not expected by the India alliance themselves. And apart from that, in Haryana, around 8 seats have been won by the India alliance. And also we are seeing that in states like Rajasthan, there are 8 seats. So last time they were not able to really gain much in Rajasthan. This time they have exceeded their tally by 8 seats in Rajasthan. So, and in West Bengal, the TMC has also done well. So the overall number that we are seeing is the inclusion of TMC in the India alliance, which is right now standing at 233, and this is beyond expectation, is what some of the leaders are in fact saying. When we talk about Congress alone, Congress is in fact leading right now at 101 seats. More than 100 seats are being won by Congress party at the moment. So we have to of course see what is going to be the calculation, what are the other parties that will be included in the alliance, because right now the focus of the India alliance is right now to make sure that the other parties which are not part of the alliance, like the TDP, like the Biju Janata Dal, like Nitish Kumar's JDU, all come under their umbrella. And for that, there are of course talks that are going on. We have to see whether it will be fruitful for the India alliance or not. What we are learning is that Rahul Gandhi, along with Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge, will in fact be coming over here at the Congress headquarters after this particular number that has come in their favor.